While connecting Shopify and WooCommerce, the last thing you want is broken products, messy variants, or fixing your catalog manually for weeks. QuickSync handles the transfer the way WooCommerce actually expects it. No weird custom product types. Your descriptions transfer cleanly too. Images, tables, formatting, rich HTML, everything stays intact without broken layouts. Shopify tags, they automatically become WooCommerce tags, so your filtering, organization, and SEO structure stay consistent. Even sale pricing works correctly. Let's say your product was $50, now it's $35. QuickSync actually maps compared price to WooCommerce regular price and Shopify price to WooCommerce sale price, so your pricing displays correctly instantly. Also, your Shopify product types become WooCommerce categories automatically. No manual category setup. And attributes like color, size, and material sync as proper global WooCommerce attributes, meaning customers can filter across your entire storefront, not just inside individual products. Let's say a variant doesn't exist anymore on Shopify. QuickSync removes it from WooCommerce too. All product images sync over as well. Unsupported formats are directly converted, and WooCommerce hosts the images on your store. And weights, dimensions, taxes, digital product settings, draft status, archived products, all transfer properly too. Basically, your Shopify catalog lands on WooCommerce clean and ready to use. To see more, visit QuickSync.pro.